As COVID-19 hospitalizations continue to surge in Washington County, the city of St. George announced it is canceling a number of events and sports tournaments to limit the spread of the virus. ABC4's Katie Corrales reports.
Amid a sustained COVID-19 surge, the most deadly since the outbreak of the pandemic, the city of St. George announced it's canceling events that either anticipate 500 or more people or a significant amount of tourists.
At this time, with our hospital under duress, it is the responsible thing for us to try to limit where we can those that visit us.
That includes the St. George Half Marathon planned for this Saturday, which typically brings nearly 2,000 tourists to the area. Southwestern Utah is averaging nearly 100 new cases per day, the vast majority concentrated in Washington County. Last week, officials at Dixie Regional Medical Center announced respiratory therapists and nurses from other Intermountain Healthcare hospitals are being transferred down south to meet the growing need.
As difficult as it is, that's what gives me hope, is the care that we give these patients.
Looking towards the holidays, staff say it's an opportunity for creative solutions and to consider foregoing traditional plans as an act of love and charity to the community.
I care enough about you, and I care enough about my community. I care enough about Heather, our ICU nurse, and her colleagues, that we're going to find an alternative way to do this year.
This news comes just days after a group of several dozen locals arrived at the Southwest Utah Public Health Department building in St. George on Monday to protest the county mask mandate. Public health officials responding by asking the public to take personal responsibility to mitigate the risks posed by the virus. In St. George, Katie Corrales, ABC4 News.